What if you could call anyone in the world and the language barrier just did not exist? Yes, you can do that right now on the iPhone already in your pocket. You don't even need a third-party app. Let me show you how to do that. Hello everyone, welcome back to Getassist, and in this video I'll show you how to live translate any iPhone call to your native language. So there are three things you need before this works. First is iPhone 15, 16 or 17 with Apple Intelligence support. Older models will not support it. Second is iOS 26. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update and make sure you are up to date. Third is the Apple Intelligence must be on. Go to Settings, then Apple Intelligence and Siri and toggle it on if it is not already. That is it. Now let's use it. Open the phone app and make a call. Once you are on the call, tap More at the bottom left. You will see live translation. Just tap on it. Now choose the language the other person speaks. Then select your language if not already selected. Now tap on Start Translation and that is it. From this point, whatever they say gets translated into your language in real time, and whatever you say gets translated into theirs. Your actual voice plays for them and their actual voice plays for you. Isn't it so cool? And here is something most people do not realize. The other person does not need an iPhone for this. They do not even need a smartphone. This works even if they are calling from a landline. So language barrier is just gone. No extra app, no subscription, just your iPhone. So if you have relatives in abroad or clients in other countries, this one feature will genuinely change how you communicate. Try this feature and tell me in the comment section who you are going to call first. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Getassist. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.